Video number 1. I've been watching YouTube recently, about a month ago, and looking at the hydrogen generation and applications for it. One of the things I have noticed was the fact it's all foreign, there's nothing in the UK. So basically this is just to ask if there's anybody in the UK who's looking at hydrogen generation, and also I thought I'd have a look at how to do it. I thought the easy way is to go on eBay and buy one of the cells and play with it, but being as I knew absolutely nothing about it, I thought I'd do some research. So that's what I've been doing for a couple of weeks, and then it occurred to me that a lot of the stuff was hard to get hold of, and it's not something you can just go to the shop and buy. So I thought I'd have a look at doing it literally if you was to go to the shops and not buy anything specialised. And I think 95% of what I've got here is basically stuff you could pick up. There's a couple of things I've bought which makes it a little bit easier, but could be done with that. So the first one, Model 1, was basically a sandwich box. Not much good for full-time use, something better, but the idea wasn't to make something you're going to use for years, but just to test the theories out. So that's the container. These are the first plates, and literally these was bought from the shop. It's 4 times bigger this. I've cut it into 4, cut a section off, drilled a hole in it. This one is very rough. This was the first one I made, and after making a couple it did get a little better. The holes are better shape. And this is stainless steel, because that's one of the things I've picked up, stainless steel. Or someone suggested platinum, but I haven't got much that like that, so that's a cheaper option. So this is cell number 1, like version 2. This has actually got 3 plates in it. A bit hard to see, the lighting's not brilliant. That's 2 negative plates and 1 positive plate. The first one just had 2 plates, 1 negative, 1 positive. So that goes on there. Fill it with water first, and a little bit of bicarbonated soda, only a touch, because if you put too much in, the amperages go up and it causes heating problems. Hence that. I actually burnt an hole in the actual thing, and that is just a plug, temporary plug, to keep it from leaking. This part here is actually a valve that the tubing fits into, and it's a push valve, so you can push in and release. That's just a blank to keep the water coming out when you're transporting it or just lying it down, because when it's working it's that way up. So that was the first version and didn't do bad, so I upscaled it, moved on to a bigger container. This has actually got a little bit of water in, and there's some sediment in the bottom, but that's all that is. So started with that. And that's 13 plates, very close together. It's quite close together, 13 plates, and I've just got to do some modifications with this. Because it was pulling so many amps, I've actually done some different connections up there. It was stainless steel connecting the plates, but that heated up and caused the problem, so now it's copper wire. So I only fill the water up to about the top of my thumb, so the copper wire is not immersed. That plate or cell will actually run a torch, and this will cut through metal. Again, homemade. You can buy one off the internet, but what's the fun in that? That's filled with bronze wool to stop flashback. The first one I made actually got a flashback, and that blew the bubbler up. which was fun, and I got a bit wet. Bubbler again, just a pop bottle, bit of silicone sealant, and that works quite well. The torch itself, I'll get that working another day, but that does run off this cell. So basically, I'm trying to get in touch with people from the UK, but if people from other countries, America and places, want to talk, no problem, I will talk to you. But I just would be nice to talk to a few people that are a little bit closer that I perhaps could visit or swap ideas with. So if you want to see any of this working, drop me a line and I'll start wiring some of this up and get it working another day. But I'm a little bit short of time today. We are looking at nearly 11 o'clock and I've had a bit of a long day. So this is Ian signing out. Thanks very much, and get some comments coming in. Take care.